In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Forms, how to transfer ownership to a group form. If you've created a form under your own account but want your team to manage it collectively, moving it to a group is the right approach. This transfers ownership to a Microsoft 365 group so teammates can view responses, edit questions, and manage settings without relying on your personal access. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser and signing in with your work or school account. You'll land on the Forms home experience. From here, head to the My Forms area. This is where all forms you personally own live. If you have a lot of forms, use the search bar or scan the thumbnails and titles to locate the one you want to transfer. Once you've found the correct form, make sure you really are the owner, since only owners can move a form to a group. If you see a three-dot menu on the form tile, select it to reveal more options. Choose the option labeled Move to a Group. This action doesn't change the content of your form, it changes who owns and manages it. Questions, branching, themes, response data, and settings come along for the ride. Think of it as picking up the entire form with all its history and handing it to a team space. Next, select the specific group that should take ownership. Groups here refer to Microsoft 365 groups, which often back Microsoft Teams channels. You'll only see groups you're a member of, so if a group isn't listed, confirm you're in the right organization and that you have membership in that group. Take a moment to pick the correct destination, especially if your organization has similarly named teams. After selecting the group, click Move. Microsoft Forms will process the transfer and let you know when it's complete. When the move finishes, your form appears under Group Forms for that group, and members with appropriate permissions can now open, edit, and manage it. Any existing responses come with it, and future responses will be owned by the group. Links you've already shared typically continue to work, but since ownership has changed, it's a good idea to redistribute the form link from the group context and update any documentation where the link is referenced. If you've connected the form to downstream tools like Power Automate flows or spreadsheets, review those connections to ensure they still point to the group-owned version. And that's it. You've successfully transferred a personal form to a group, keeping everything intact while enabling shared ownership and continuity for your team.